Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. After that, tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select spot in the top. Then you need to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer from Binance to the Coinbase wallet. As you can see that currently I have some of the cryptos. So let's say I want to transfer Pepe coin. So I'm simply going to tap on Pepe, then tap on the withdrawal option and tap on the send via crypto network. Now it will ask you to provide the recipient's address. So in order to find this address, you simply need to launch your Coinbase wallet, then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on this copy tab in the top, and here since Pepe coin is based on the Ethereum network, so you need to copy the ERC20 address from the Coinbase wallet. Now you need to come back and paste the address in the address section. In the network, you need to select the network as ERC20. Then you need to enter the amount of Pepe coin that you want to transfer, and then you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to review the information and confirm your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed, you will receive your coin into the Coinbase wallet successfully. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.